Civic-mindedness, particularly with regard to littering, can help reduce the risk of floods in the country, Deputy Prime Minister Datuk Seri Dr. Wan Azizah Wan Ismail said on Monday, October 28. She pointed out that flash floods in Malaysia are mainly caused by drainage and irrigation systems which are clogged with garbage. She said this during a media conference at the Social Welfare Department's Penyayang Complex Disaster Supply Storage Depot. Dr. Wan Azizah, who is also the Women, Family and Community Development Minister, was on site to check on the level of preparedness for the monsoon season set to hit Pahang.